Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports with this beautiful Mercedes A-Class AMG Sport Premium. Lovely specification on it in magnificent condition. It's got front park distance control, finished in black. It's a facelift model. Absolutely immaculate black diamond cut star upgraded alloy wheels. It's got the black pack all round it, all around the windows, the body styling kit, privacy glass, rear park distance control, full AMG body styling kit as you can see with the larger rear diffuser. The car is absolutely gleaming. It's a 4MATIC, so it's 4-wheel drive, GLA220d AMG Sport Premium. As you can see, every one of them wheels is absolutely immaculate. Oh, electric tailgate, I nearly pulled it up then. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got the rear parcel shelf, like I say, electric tailgate there. Inside, this is a big extra, you've got the full leather with the red stitch piping and red perforation, which is part of the exclusive package. Don't see that on many of these cars, all throughout the Mercedes range. It's a big option. And it carries forward onto the door cards and on full leather dashboard there. Got electric windows, electric mirrors, no wear on the seat bolsters, all lovely. Just start the car up, push start, starts up lovely. It's got lots of extras inside here, so we've got paddle shift on the gearbox for automatic. Just shut the door. Let's get the mileage up. It's done 75,558 miles. We start from over here. Auto headlights, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, flat bottom steering wheel, full leather, multifunction steering wheel, 3-stage heated seats, DSR. 3-stage heated seats for the passenger as well. Full communication system, including full navigation to the larger screen. Radio, media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, climate control. It's got 2 keys, full service history, aux and a USB. You can see it's in absolutely lovely condition. Oh, whatever, yeah. Reverse camera as well. Doesn't flash, it's just the shutter speed on the camera. As you can see, it's in lovely condition throughout. DJH offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.